Should I start? Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Well, today I would like to speak in the favor of the reservation. That why the reservation should be continued in India. As we have misconception here that reservation should not be continued in India because our India is not developing. There is discrimination among the people. People are not getting jobs who are working hard, who are struggling. Okay, they are not getting anything. First of all, let me clear one thing. Reservation is a discrimination website also says. Who implemented reservation, he also says that reservation is a kind of a discrimination. But there are two words which we should remember always: negative, positive. Okay, reservation is a kind of a discrimination, but in a positive way. We cannot say that we are doing discrimination among the people, we are giving reservation to those people who are not working hard. Actually, the data tells that reservation is given to those people, exemption is given to backward classes. But having said that, to get the job, to get the admission, to get anything in government sector, having said that, it is challenge for them because they have not minimum resources which we need, which we required, which we are required. They don't have, like laptops, mobiles, digital things. We are observing, we are familiar with them. But people who belong to the lower caste, they are not familiar with that. Okay, so reservation is given them. Having said that, it is challenge, it is big task to get the job in government sector. So we cannot blame that reservation is a kind of a discrimination. Reservation is not giving anything to the people. After the 2019, a constitutional amendment happened in Constitution 103rd amendment. It was said that now reservation will be on the basis of EWS. EWS means economical weaker section. It means the reservation will be on the basis of based caste also, and EWS, it means economical weaker section. Person who earns less than 8 lakh per year, he will be given the reservation. It means the reservation is going in a right way. Reservation is catching the right path. So we cannot blame the reservation is wrong policy. Actually, the reservation is working in India. Later, I will tell. First of all, you speak.
So, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I am Sophia Malik. I'm delighted to get this opportunity to come in front of you and share my views on the topic. That is about reservation. Means reservation should be given to the lower caste people or not. Well, I personally believe that it should not be given to them. The reservation policy, it was first started by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar for the upliftment of the lower caste people. I agree that the main purpose of reservation was to uplift the lower caste people. But you know what reservation is giving to us? In India, because of reservation, corruption is increasing day by day. How the corruption is increasing? People are becoming corrupt nowadays. Like people are making fake certificates, and by the virtue of those certificates, they are using those exemptions, and they want to get those exemptions which the lower caste people are getting. And you know, because of this thing, those people who deserve and who need this policy, they are unable to get. So now you will say to me that that's the fault of the people, that they are making fake certificates. But you know, the base is here is reservation. Because of reservation is happening. If reservation would not be here, so people don't make any kind of fake certificate. We know that smoking is bad thing. However, people are smoking. We know that junk food is not good for us. But however, people are eating. We know that we should use mobile phone in limit, but people are using it unlimited. So we cannot change the mentality of the people, because in India, so many people are living, different types of people are living in India. So it's difficult to change the mentality of the people, because they are going in a bad way because of reservation. They are thinking that we also want reservation. If they are getting, so we also want. We are also human, they are also human. And you know, because of this thing, those people are not getting, which means they should, which they need.
Okay. She said that people are misusing reservation. Okay, people are misusing reservation. Akram sir is teaching English. English is spoken, which is very necessary language. Okay. When we come here, what do we do most of the time? Not most of the time, all the time. What do? We speak Hindi. Okay. Akram sir is applying that you are to speak English, but we are speaking Hindi here. So if in front of Akram sir, if we speak Hindi, So whose responsibility is that? If we are not serious, so it's a responsibility of us that they will scold us, they will explain us that you should speak English. So here you cannot say that that's the fault of the reservation, that's the fault of our system, our government, that our government is not applying this policy in a right way. And do you have actually data that how many people are misusing the reservation? She doesn't have data. So like this I cannot agree, because if I'm speaking with the data, so you will have to speak with the data.
But you didn't
Listen,
speak
listen.
up
Oh,
with the
let me
data.
it's my turn. As earlier, what used to happen that like animals, they were also the better than those people who belonged to the lower caste. They were discriminated this much. They were misbehaved this much. But now, because of the reservation, what is happening, that they are equal than us. Even we cannot say that equal than us, they are given priority. But now people say that why they are given reservation. When you were doing discrimination with them, there was nothing. Now when they are given priority, they are given exemption, so you are feeling jealous. Why you are feeling jealous? Government is making equality among you, because you misbehaved with them, so now we will misbehave with you, but in a positive way.
Okay. So now I would like to speak secondly that which is about Bangladesh. You know, in Bangladesh what is happening, because of reservation people are coming on the road and they are protesting. They are demanding from the government that don't increase the reservation policy for the freedom fighters, don't increase. And you know the scenario which is in Bangladesh recently, it can happen in India. You know why it can happen? Because our government has been providing reservation since before the independence. And you know, if reservation will be continued generation to generation, so what will happen? The upper caste people will definitely say that we also want reservation. Why are you providing reservation generation to generation? Yeah, we agree that they used to face a lot of problems at that time, but you know, it have completed. They had it have completed. It's enough now. It should not be continued in India. And you know that government did so many things for the lower caste people, I would say. Why I'm saying? Because you know that in every sector, in every field, when you go, so you see that seats are reserved for them. In parliament, seats are reserved for them. In education, seats means seats are reserved for them, and they are getting privileges. And in so many sector, whether it is private sector, it is government sector, they are getting all kinds of exemptions. And you are saying that if they want to develop more, so they may develop by the hard work, by the dedication, by the devotion which the general people are doing. If you are doing work hard, if you are doing work hard, so you can success. If you are not doing so, how will you success? At that time, no one can help you.
Okay, sister, listen. Seats are reserved. I agree. Everyone agrees with you. But do you know about the after reserving the seats? Having said that, how much difficult competition is available among the lower caste people? Like it is equal than us. Like among us, how much competition is there? Even we are unable to clear any. Most of the people are unable to clear competitive exams. IIT, JEE, NEET, they are unable to clear. Similarly, when seats are reserved among those seats, among those people, it is similar competition, high competition is there, sister. After reserving the seats, 81 seats are empty in PhD and 16 in IITs, that's all.